Hello everyone, this is Shujoy. Today we will see how we can do a on-page SEO in WordPress, or how can you optimize your blog in WordPress. So actually today I'm going to give you the live example of the SEO of one of my clients, Jeja Motors. So let's see how we can do that practically. So first you have to go to you have to log in with your user ID and password to your account, and you have to come here in the dashboard of WordPress, and then you have to click on post, and you have to post, and you have to click on add new. So this is the section where you have to optimize your blog. So first you have to put a title. So I already written a blog on does e-rickshaw really need a license. We investigated on that. So for that, if you want to know how to write a blog, or how to write a blog with AI tools, then you can check my video on that too. So let's come up with this, and our title is this: does e-rickshaw really need a license? We investigated. So if you I want to copy this, and I have to paste it here. Then I have to come here in the text section, and I have to copy the whole body with this. This is basically a 500 word block. So I have to copy this one here and just paste it here. So with this, I have to go to a visual section, and this is my blog. So I just to optimize this thing. This is basically a 548 word blog. So first I have to put a one title of that blog. I already had a title. So first you have to identify the keyword. So the topic is, does e-rickshaw really need a license? So you can do a keyword research on that, and suppose what kind of keyword the people are searching. So accordingly you can put a focus key phrase there. So suppose I put my focus keyword like e-rickshaw license, or you can only put e-rickshaw, and you have to click on title, or you can just set this title like your above this one. You have to just copy and paste it in your title. That is the suitable title there, and you can add it. JJ Motors. No, it exceeds the thing, so you just investigate. You can cut that accordingly. You need to understand JJ Motors. You have to like that, and you have to put a meta description now. You have to put a meta description now. What kind of meta description it suits you? Suppose you can like set wants to know. You can like that thing. Wants to know e-rickshaw really need a license. Then this article article is for you. Jeja Motors is one of the renowned e-rickshaw e-rickshaw renowned ICAT approved. You can add this CAT approved e-rickshaw manufacturer. You can delete this because it exceeds the word limit. Show manufacturer in India. You can write like this. So this is the title and the description part, and next is you have to come with your body content. Then let's see how you can do it. This is your main title, so this is your main heading. So put this in a heading 1 section like this. Okay, just sorry, just it is not like that, so it's just overlapped. So just put it to the paragraph section and just bold that thing. Sorry, just copy that. So give just space here and just put a heading 1 there. You just have some problems there, so let's see. So just see, you have to just click on bold and you have to put there and just underline that. You can underline that thing, so it will highlight it, and you can put this on heading or heading 2 also. It is very large, so let's put it on just paragraph section. If we do the paragraph section, so all of these are your subheadings, so put it to the h3 or h4, something like that. H4, you can do this on h5. You can put this h6, or h6 is little bit smaller, so you can put this on h4. So this one, you can put a multiple h1 or multiple h3, h4, h5 in one block. This is the last part. So this is the last thing you have to just put into h6. Oh, sorry, just one click. So this is the thing, and you just have to put the You just have to put your keywords here. You just have to put your keywords. Suppose our keyword is e-rickshaw, so it's been there. And you have to find out more e-rickshaws here. Suppose this is another one. Just have to copy this and paste it here. So let's see what kind of problem we have still yet. So internal link and outbound links are there, so you have to put both the things. Suppose I have to link this one. Suppose I will link e-rickshaw to Jaja Motors, another page. Suppose I have to go to Jaja Motors, Jaja Motors, Jaja Motors, and you can link your home page to that site as an internal link. So you can link this word to your home page. For this you have to click on this and copy and paste and apply. This will do. And another thing is outbound link you have to create. Suppose let's see which what I can link with the external link. Suppose Indian government. If I check the Indian government, any kind of Wikipedia page, Indian government Wikipedia, government of India, I can link this page. Let's copy that. Let's copy that URL and go to the dashboard and link this as a external link. This is the thing. You have to just do this. So your SEO is already been good. So is it SEO is good, readability is good. So you have to find out. Next you have to set image. This is a set featured image. Suppose you have to featured image is there. I already design one Canva post already, so I have to just upload that file. So you have to come to download. You have to click this. Wait for a few time for to upload. Here it is, it uploaded. So just put your company name, or you can just alt text put your you can put the title of the page. Nicholas e-rickshaw requires license. This is your title, and this will be your alt text. So if someone searches With this will rank. Basically, this is the objective of the image alt tag. So you have to just copy paste it everywhere and just set a featured image. So here it is. You already set your feature image. So now it's all ready. So we have to just publish on that. Click publish. And it's done. So if I want to see my post, then you have to click on view post. And here we go. This is your blog post. It's ready. So in this way, you can optimize your blog. You can optimize your blog in a practical way or in any project. So thank you so much for being there, and please like and subscribe. If you want more such kind of video, hit the notification bell. Thank you so much.